My name is Aaryan Ispahani and I study in the 5th grade in the Bombay International School. I'm doing a school project about halting the loss of biodiversity. Through my research, I learned that native plants are critical in preserving our biodiversity, which is on the decline due to the large number of non-native plants. Plants are the primary source of energy in an ecosystem. They provide food and habitats for many insects, birds, and animals. However, insects, birds, and animals in an ecosystem can feed only on the native plants that they've co-evolved with over millions of years. This means most non-native plants do not provide food for them. Through this video, I want to spread greater awareness and appreciation about the native trees of India and their importance in our ecosystem. Native species of trees are considered native only if they originated in their location naturally and without the involvement of human activity or intervention. For example, both amla and mango trees are native to India and hence birds and insects are able to feed of it. Non-native species are those that have been brought to where they are by humans, either accidentally or intentionally. Like bougainvillea and gulmohar, while are pleasing to look at, do not provide food for species of birds and insects. I've given each plant either a native stamp of approval or a non-native stamp of warning. Native plants also differ greatly in their ability to support biodiversity and provide food and shelter for insects and animals of that region. I have given each plant a biopower index that indicates the potential and ability of the plant to support biodiversity. Each plant is either given a low, medium, or high, indicating how many insects and animals they can feed or how much biodiversity they allow for. For example, the golden trumpet is a non-native plant and hence it is given a low biopower. But the Indian amalthus or amla are both native species of plants and hence they have a high or medium biopower respectively. Please go through the rest of this video and view the native, non-native and invasive plants and trees. I hope you enjoy it.